You're like a gentle hug on a hard day, the soft touch that takes it all away. And when we kiss, it puts my mind at ease. It feels like home to me. You're like a long walk on a summer night, holding hands underneath the moonlight. And in that moment I find my sense of peace. Feels like home to me. Yeah, feels like home. Right next to you is where I belong. Safe and warm, wrapped up in your arms, holding tight just right. Well, there's no place on earth I wanna be, here with you feels like home to me. I'm gonna plant my heart, put down some roots, and watch it grow. Girl, gonna see us through, 'cause I found